Hello and welcome in the Bitcoin Heroes trading group. My name is Patrick, nickname Tsibi here, and I'm one of the two teachers in the group. Another teacher is Bram. We are core pillars of the group. We are trying to pass a lot of knowledge and our trading journey with us, and you can be our guest and go to that journey with us while we are actively trading. In this video I will go over how we are different from other groups, what you can expect to learn in the group. I will show you everything what you can learn, just sneak peek. That will take the most of the video, and maybe I can start with how our Discord is structured, what you can expect, how are the ranks here, and so on. And a small talk about history. Just one important thing: our group was made 18 months ago, and in that time we didn't spend time to gather members, to promote group or anything. We actually focus on trading with our friends and traders and improve learning video content and in written form as well, and improve those traders as well, because you can be yourself a good trader, but do you know how to pass knowledge to others? Do you know that? We wanted to see if we can actually do that, and we are seeing results after almost 2 years now. Most of the members are doing well in our group. You know how is the ratio, like in the world, like 10% of traders only make it, but here in our group the ratio is far different. It's like flipped. So, but you will see that in the group. I don't need to convince you. I don't want to promote anything here. You will make your own opinion. Okay, so that 18 months, and right now that's why I'm doing this welcome video. I think the group is ready for larger expansion of traders. If you want to learn with us, it's definitely time right now. And the group is not gonna be unlimited size. We wanted to keep it pretty good size so we can actually help each other. So we can help these traders effective way. If the group is too large, then it can be confusing for a lot of people. So bear in mind, it's not gonna be open forever. Okay, so how is the Discord structured? So the main roles here are teacher, which is me and Bram. If you have any question, if you join as any rank, you can just write us and ask if you have any question in DM. There's no problem. Then we have admins. So if you have any technical questions or also trading question, you can write admins as well. Coaches, we have 2 coaches at the moment, and a third one is in the making. Coaches are doing one-to-one mentoring as well. We do it as well. I mean, I don't do it as much. I don't have much time. I educate people on the global basis in the talks and in the videos. Bram is also doing direct mentoring one-to-one for now. He's still not so busy, so we can do it. And All Stars rank is for people who are very active in our community, and they are helping our community. And they can get this rank, and also it means they are really good traders as well. So you can, their opinions are highly respected here. And also creators of main tools we use are in that rank, like creator of Exocharts, creator of TRDR, Tradinglite, all of them are in that rank. Okay, other ranks in the group are legend rank and hero rank. Let's have a look here. Also, when you join the Discord, you definitely need to go over information sections. All important informations are there. When you join, you can be enjoying newcomer rank or member rank. Those are free ranks. With those free ranks, you have access to free sections in the Discord to talk and some free education here. As a free member, you have access to how to trade course, which is like really basic course, and it will teach you a few key things you should know really before you join higher ranks. And after that you can be joining. If you're an experienced trader, you can join us, and it's gonna be fine as well if you already have experience, because we trade with advanced trading techniques, institutional method approach, and smart money concepts. Yes, not much retail trading approach like with indicators and so on. No, very different. Okay, so hero rank here. With hero rank, you get access to most of the group, most of the section. We will go over each sections in here. It's focused on learning mainly, so you will be learning a lot as a hero rank for a few months. Please have realistic expectations with your learning. To learn trade, it takes few months definitely. If you already have experience, if you don't have experience, it can even take longer. It depends how much previous stuff you are also bring. with yourself, some bad techniques and so on, so it takes time to remove them. And also many groups can convince you it can take a very short time to be profitable, but no, it takes time. It takes at least 6 months to 1 year, or 1 year and plus. It takes a lot of time to be profitable, because you need to build statistics on your trading system while you trade. Okay, so that's hero rank. You will access with hero rank to most of the sections. I will be showing you that. And now we have the final rank, which is the legend rank. This is the maximum rank in the group you can get. This rank has two major benefits. The first major benefit is you will get access to all my charting. I'm updating my charts at least once a week for day traders and swing traders. And you will see on my charts what I see. So you have access to 2000 inputs, at least all these folders here. Direct access, and also to trade areas I plan to trade. So that's very, very nice. Okay, and the second benefit is we have voice talk in the legend rank. You can see it over here. We do once a week talks to the members. We are replying to questions and so on, and sometimes people are just chilling inside the voice talk as well when we are trading. So very nice section. Plus all the previous legend talks are in archives. Yes, they are recorded, so you can actually learn a lot from these history talks. A lot of gold nuggets were dropped in there. Yes. So that's legend rank. And there will be some special, you know, like this section here is not even for legend rank. You can already see that. It's backtesting section. This is the only section where we add people manually, because backtesting takes the most of the time for trader. So only when you provide some backtesting data, you will have access to this backtesting data for methods we use, because you want to know statistics behind your trading. So that's legend rank. So let's go over all sections. So it's clear, because Discord is pretty big, so it's not confusing for you. So that's your heroes rank. In this section we have announcement sections. We are announcing various things, from videos to just updates in the group. This is just focus on video updates on YouTube. Some are just for the group, some are for public. Bitcoin trading plan. This is really a big benefit of hero rank. You will get at least once a month. I'm doing this trading plan when the month starts. This is for day traders and swing traders, so very key levels on the larger time frames, because as a scalper you can you see a lot of levels each day, so you don't need to, you know, mark this in the plan. You will be marking it directly into your charts, but these are key levels for multiple time frames. I'm doing that at the open of the month, or when we have larger volatility and some levels are replaced. So it's worth to update this, because I'm updating my charts more often, but this plan, you know, just as we need it. So we are also like going into the what you can already learn in the group. So this is the liquidity areas. Every market moves with liquidity in mind. It's always gonna take liquidity from people. That's how market works, and not just Bitcoin but other markets as well. By the way, we trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, stock market as well, me, and sometimes altcoins. I'm sharing liquidity which I'm plotting. So it's very important. You get liquidity from hyblock, and we will discuss it more when we will be going over your learning parts. Another section for for heroes is psychology. We are discussing a bit psychology here. It is also an important aspect of trading, but there are more important things than this. But if you have any psychology questions, you will be asking over here and discussing. This is trade area section. So our group is not signal group. It's never gonna be like, here is your entry, stop loss, take profit. No, this is not learning you trading, right? You need to be more, you know, put more effort. But I oftentimes share areas where I am interested to take trades. Actually, most are the winners. If you go backtest everything what I posted here, most of the trades were winners, because I was showing you high probability setups. But what is different from signal groups? I'm telling you context, why I think this area is strong. What is there, you know? Do we have liquidity? Do we have trap traders? How was the volume there? You are asking all these questions all the time, and you will get your answers, and you see winners, winners, winners. So you have this section, then we have the Bram's Trading Corner section. This is dedicated section of another teacher, and he's posting his analysis here, how he sees the market, his trades he took, and so on. Bram and me, we have we usually have same outcomes, but sometimes we use different approaches to trading, but that's perfectly fine because each trader has own unique flavor. Yeah, so even you, as you are learning, you will be taking probably the things which suits your personality and where you did your heavy testing and so on. But the main concepts we use are same, you know, which I'll be showing in a second. We have dedicated Ethereum section. We trade Ethereum because it's good volatility and high volume from altcoins. That's what you always want from any asset you want to trade. Bitcoin TA chart section, which is focused on Bitcoin charts. I post here a lot, so you see it's like dominating a lot of important stuff. The main section where is the most activity is Bitcoin TA chat. Here we discuss trades which happened, trades which are happening right now, we are taking right now, or we plan to trade and take. So you see a lot of posts here from various things from Exocharts, TRDR, Tradinglite, everything together. General chat, just general chat. Is all the things which don't fit into TA chat. We have swing trading section. This section is focused on swing trades and on-chain. This is combining things because on-chain, be careful when you are reading on internet. 95% is rubbish. Only 5% are usable for actual trading because it's just too long time frames. But those things I'm utilizing here and I'm posting them what I'm seeing. You see some long-term charts here. Yes, so only good things. Public session. This is section for traders who are not in higher ranks. And now we are going to the goodies. So with this is advanced trading course and we are starting here. So Discord is not meant to give education on like distributional education seems like equal because all these sections here are so many, but you can do order of learning because you can learn on our website, yes, or you can learn on the Discord, and Discord is perfectly fine. And now you can see I did this order of learning. So here is welcome. You will be welcome. Then this is your clean plan. So how to trade course is really first you should go over, and if you know all these basic concepts, then you can start with proper education here. Okay, just a sec. All right. So the number one thing you will be learning in the group is definitely learning how to understand market structure, support and resistance. I'll be showing you exactly on the chart what I mean by that. So market structure, support and resistance are key things which are, this is valid for most of the markets in the world. It's showing you supply and demand on any asset, and you better understand this because this is gonna create core. This is gonna create core for a lot of your trades. You don't want to, sell into the support and buy into the resistance, right? That's like number one rules you will be learning from this, and it's just crazy. Even if you see like what is happening here, you see very good respect for those. You will learn how to use them, and you can learn them from our chart or just from the educational videos, how to create them. So second video is what is VAG and VAL. So we in the group utilizing auction market theory and everything around it. It's basically 70% or more time Bitcoin, even such a Bitcoin as a super volatile asset, is spending time in the range, is not trending. Yeah, even in the bull market there are a lot of ranging on smaller time frames especially. So you will need to learn how to utilize and trade this properly. So you'll be learning what is the VAL area, VAG area, POC area, where is the volume nodes and so on. That's super important. After that you will be learning auction market theory, so that's connected to VAG and VAL. All the scenarios. Let me show you maybe just quick sneak peek. Here you have empty cheat sheets, possible scenarios which are happening all the time. If you learn them, you already can't predict the future a bit. That's the thing. You try video trading, you are like detective. You are building context for your trade. So 90% of trading is 90% I would say of the trading is preparation if you are not scalper. Yeah, you need really well prepared charts for all these scenarios. Okay, let's return. Other method is other core trading technique is swing failure pattern types. You should already understand this on a basic principle, and this will take it further, because markets will always move for liquidity. They are trying to cause maximum pain for the traders, and for that you will use high block liquidity and swing failure patterns. You will see those nodes where people getting stopped out, liquidated, where are the high likely reversal points. Before you join the group, you are in this area. You will getting stopped out. After you learn in the group, you will be actually buying or selling when the node is run without you getting stop loss. Okay. Another thing is anchor VWAP. VWAPs are super important. They are far better than moving averages, so you will understand and learn that in the group. Maybe sneak peek into anchor VWAPs. Yes, you see this blue one was very key, and it's even now small front run resistance. It's very key. Why it's better anchor VWAP than moving average? Because it contains volume, not just time. So you better know that and learn. Then we have VWAP closest strategy. This is special strategy, very good high mid rate, so you will be adding to it. Another thing is balance zones. Let me show you balance zones. So those are expansions and extensions. Let me show you local one. Maybe I can show you a larger pool example. So balance zones are really great because they can predict your future range, and they are giving you mechanical targets. That's what we want. And also they are showing you zones where the asset is cheap and expensive. This is one example of balance zone. So we were trading in the range for a few months. We've created big targets to the upside from that range, and as you lost the range, you were hitting first major 1.5 extension here. Another big target is gonna be to 1-to-1 extension. So balance zones pretty key for trading Bitcoin and other assets. Fibonacci expansions, this is similar to balance zones. It's just focusing on golden zone and main extensions, but I also use trend fib extension, so that's why I have it on different folder, and I can show you example again. Let's have a look if there's something from a smaller time frame. Yes, we do. So you see we have this breakdown here, change of market structure, secondary high placed, golden zone already under high supporting, and now we have 1-to-1 extension, but I have better one. I can show you a better one over here. Again from the overall range. So you see this was the balance zone target, but we still have the golden zone under, so we can actually do swing failure pattern into it, into the 15k and bounce. So they are giving you like secondary targets along with the main extensions. So very key to understand for mechanical trading. Fibonacci expansions we went over. So order blocks you definitely need to learn. This is another institutional technique as swing failure patterns. Order blocks, you will learn how they are created and how to trade them. They are large support zones and resistance zones. As institutional liquidity, has a lot of orders in those places. Yes. Okay. So you see we have own custom indicator for that with a lot of settings. So you will get that indicator in the group, and you will be able to utilize it yourself. And there are some strong order blocks from different time frames. For that statistic, you need to backtest yourself, yeah, because that takes a lot of time. But I will tell you, you will find out in the group which one is the strongest one already. Okay, we can turn off this one. And fair value gaps, we have also a custom-made indicator for that. Let me go to smaller time frame. So fair value gaps, you will be learning fair value gaps along with single prints, low volume nodes, and so on. There are inefficiencies on the market, and they are like magnet. Yeah, sooner or later you feel them, and you need to know what to do when you feel them. So So Tradinglite. So 50% of your trading is technical analysis. Very good technical analysis is gonna prove you very really useful. And another 50% is definitely supporting tools which are telling you when to enter and when to not. And one of them is starting as Tradinglite. So Tradinglite is focused on trading the walls. I'm scalper in my heart, and at the moment, maybe later I will become just day trader because scalping is the most time consuming. But scalping, if you're a good scalper, you build your equity fast. So that's the main advantage. With Tradinglite, you will learn all the examples, how to utilize order books. The walls have impact. Of course, walls have impact. Psychological impact on the market, or direct impact when you fill the walls and you absorb some volumes. Yeah, you create bearish or bullish CVDs and so on. You will learn that in the group. We have a lot of education on that. Then we have education on hyblock. Those are connected. Hyblock is connected to liquidity traps strategies. This is the hyblock. Yes, it's showing you liquidity, and another form of heat map. And it's super important, as we mentioned already. The liquidity market will always go after liquidity, so you better be aware where is that liquidity and how to trade it. Another section you will be learning is aggregate. So it has two advantages. So first of all, I will show you the templates. This is one of the main templates. So in this template, you are watching bullish or bearish CVDs, yes, or multiple exchanges. But I'm watching mainly this. So I'm watching spot and perpetuals compared to each other. So because spot is always leading the market, and you want to see if perpetuals are creating a divergence in second spot, like buying too much or going too away from this, because you will watch differences between spot and delta and bullish and bearish CVDs. And also we watch delta itself on key exchanges, on key spot exchanges and on key futures exchanges. So this is a useful template. Plus I'm turning on sound. On this template I'm turning on sound and I'm listening to market order flow. And as I'm watching and learning, like we use a lot of stuff which is utilizing aggregate data, and that means you are getting whole world information from most important exchanges, so you can feel global mood and order flow. And if you start to listen to aggregate during your trading, this is utilizing another sense. So you are not using just eyes, you are using also your hearing, and hearing can be faster than eyes sometimes. You have like very large volatility and you want to hear what is the market doing. Definitely you are watching Exocharts, but you also hear the biggest volumes. So that's another beautiful thing to understand and learn, and for me it's super important as a scalper. TRDR section. Okay, so this is so important for scalper and day trader as well. This is also connected to order books, but you don't trade directly the walls, but you are trading the ratios between walls. And other useful data we watch as liquidations, open interest, funding rate. These are very key things which can affect your decision. They are in, because for me we have confluences, main confluence, yes, we have strong technical levels, and then we have main confluence tools which we will use for direct entries, yes, how we feel in the market, and we can predict future with a lot of movements thanks to this. And TRDR is super important. Like you see here, these bands are showing you there are much more limits on the market than shorts, much more longs. So it's more likely you will stabilize, you will place the range, and you will bounce. And same way to the upside, we started to see selling pressures, and now we are doing smaller pullback. So this is also a very crucial tool, and this is the kingdom of the Bram. He is, Bram is focusing on TRDR trading, and he's doing a great job to educate the group on this. We have a lot of education on this. I use it as well. Yes, it's fantastic. Okay, let's go further. So we have, so you arrived to this point. Why is Exocharts at the end? It's very simple, because you use Exocharts when you are really good in technical analysis, so you know when to look for trades. Actually, it's not. It's important to be Exocharts on cherry on top, right? So Exocharts, you will arrive here and you have two options. If you are hero rank or legend rank, that's fine, but we have like basic course for Exocharts on the main templates, and if you want really dedicated very deep course, then we made over 20 video course VIP course, which is like standalone price, but it's super useful for. It's going very deep on topics like CVD, delta, open interest, net longs, net shorts. Then we go over each template in video and many trade examples there. And the maximum, the biggest cherry on top is there. Utilization, trapped traders as main support and resistance, because they in the end are creating the market. So you will know where are people trapped in shorts, and when they try to escape, you will have your trade, and opposite, vice versa, opposite as well. So for the trapped longs position. So this is fantastic to go, but even this basic course is pretty fine to get info, because you will be learning as we are posting some Exocharts content in the group. You are learning from that as well. And let me show you Exocharts, what we are using currently. You will get access to a lot of templates. Let me show you like TPO template. Some templates we made custom, so it took a time to make, but you will be getting access to it when you join the group. This is our main scalping template. Just beautiful. And we have a lot of templates for desktop. This is the monthly overview of the market, very important for swing traders. Weekly overview of the market, also very important for swing and day traders, with key levels. Session profile we use for scalping. Imbalances, just focus on imbalances. You know, a lot of good templates, which every single one has specific purpose, or you have general ones. Okay, video now. Step 20, 80% rule market profile strategies. Also very useful, you will learn that. 21 is about the initial balance, single prints, buy, sell. This is connected to Exocharts and TPO profiles. Also very nice. We have CME Gap and weekend trading education. Very nice. And after this is not everything in the group, but I just made the most important things so people don't wander. And after that, you can go and explore group even freely. It's up to you. You will have access to everything at once. What is important, what actually takes most of the time, so you learn something new, but you need to go to chart and start backtesting, right? So you need like 50 to 100 trades with the method you learn, so you know statistics behind it, because that's how you build the confidence. You don't want to just watch videos and start throwing everything at your chart. You need to backtest. You need to check yourself. It's working well in what conditions. What is the statistics? So you can trust your trading system and have this, belief. Okay, and a lot more sections to follow. So I made the daily routine. The daily routine is good because it's giving you bias when you're approaching your desk, it will build your bias, what you plan to do during the day. Some other additional factors on the market. Yes. Weekly trading plan. Here is I recorded how I'm doing I'm actually live streaming charting oftentimes, but I also did video with education, how I'm preparing all the charts and commentary with it, my weekly routines. So here is the advanced trading course. You have more videos in this and some sections. Really nice. This is also a very good section. I'm recording trades I took and what confluence I used for that trade. Yes. So very good. This is when you learn things, you will be then utilizing it on a live market and learning from live market experience here, where it was recorded just after trade. Yes, very nice. Gold nuggets section also very good. When someone posts something useful in the group, and we usually try to save it so it's not lost. I, for example, did we are saving that for PDFs and other stuff. So also very nice. Statistics sections, vocabulary. We have a lot of sections. Then we have this dedicated empty section with market structures, high volume nodes, order blocks with own sections, Exocharts. But a lot of videos are scattered in these sections as well. Plus good education here, even for free. You've got really nice educations. So I think that's the structure of the Discord. I hope it was clear how it's looking and what you can expect from the group. Let me check if I showed everything. Plus, I'm utilizing this Okitoki also. This is gonna, you will learn also to use order books well, like with this tool as well. You will also understand how to use open interest, global open interest, to aggregate it all exchanges in the world. Just very nice. And as a legend reg, you will get access to all the charting if you need this. So this is about our Discord. I hope it is very clear what you can learn here with us. I think we are doing really good job when someone joins. You know, we are seeing really impressive results, and it's key to really put time and effort into your education. It takes time, and I'm sure you will make it with our group. If you have any questions, just write me or team around, and we will be gladly helping you on your trading education journey. And I hope I will see you around in the group, and I wish you happy trading. Goodbye.